Start by selecting an element on the page. For example, click on the poem title. Now, look at the right sidebar, where the first icon opens the Element Properties panel. This panel allows you to manage general HTML attributes, such as the element ID or the name which is displayed in the Pinegrow tree view to help you organize your project. You can also configure the standard title attribute here. Here you will also find the inner HTML property, which provides a direct way to modify the code content of the element as an alternative to editing text on the canvas. Let's change the text to "I hear your call, pine tree," and notice how the text on the page view updates immediately as you type. Below that, we have the Classes section, and since this template is built with Bootstrap, these are standard Bootstrap utility classes. If you click directly on a class button, you can toggle that style off and on to see the difference. This is a very convenient way to experiment with your design and visually test the effects that various classes have on the element. When you want to completely remove a class, just click the small X icon located on the class button. If you delete one by accident, you can easily restore it by using the undo command. Go ahead and take a moment to play around with the different options available in the Element Properties panel to see how they work. If at any point the document becomes too messy to fix or you just want to try again, you can use the Restart icon at the top of the tutorial panel. This menu lets you choose to restart just the current lesson or the entire tutorial from the beginning. Finally, take a look at the attribute editor located at the bottom of the panel. This list displays all the attributes currently applied to the HTML element, and every item here is fully editable.